Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com and those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
First up this evening, over 50 Cuban nurses are expected in the island to help ease the serious nursing shortage in the public healthcare sector.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton told TVJ News today that it should not be too long before the nurses return.
Yannick Williams reports.
Jamaica's public health care system took a hit when the Cuban medical practitioners, including nurses, left after the bilateral program came to an end. Roughly 40 of them had taken up individual government contracts. Now another set of Cuban nurses have decided to return to Jamaica to take up jobs in the public health system.
Another set which had gone back has applied for permits and have been granted, so we expect some easing there too.
How much are you talking about?
I'm not sure how many, but I believe it's over 50.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says Jamaica has established an international recruiting unit targeting healthcare workers from overseas.
I was in Ghana and my team went back after and they have interviewed and they have some recommendations for a number of Ghanaian nurses to come. They're now talking to the medical council to deal with the approvals. We had interviewed some diaspora persons and that is now going to the final process.
Minister Tufton says Jamaica has also signed MOUs with Nigeria and India. He says in about a month a technical delegation will be arriving in Jamaica from the Philippines.
Because as I said in my sectoral, I do envision that our health system will be more multicultural in the years to come to fill the gaps. That is not to say we're not providing opportunities for locals to train. The Byron Scholarship provides that opportunity and a number of persons have been trained on that and some will come into the system now.
And with all of that, Dr. Tufton says proper human resource management will still be critical if the health system is to operate efficiently. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.